What's up, YouTube? Today it's gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna show you guys how to change your air intake filter and your cabin air filter for $23. Got it from Amazon, and you can do it in 5 minutes. Alright, so here's a new filter that I got on Amazon. I'll put the screen capture on the video. So easy, you just need a flathead screwdriver. There's how many screws are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws on all 4 corners. The screws don't even come out, you just undo them. And I haven't changed mine probably, it's been since I got it new. I don't think I ever changed it, so it's gonna be pretty dirty. Excuse the dirt under the car too, it just rained here, so it's pretty dirty. There we are. Pulled it right out. Whew, that's bad. Man. So get the new one. It's a direct replacement. Only one way you can go in, so you just put the new one in and tighten all the screws back, and we're back. Last screw. Easiest thing you could do. You get charged probably like $40 at the dealership to do this. And that's it. 1 minute 50 seconds. Open your glove box, and there's the top edge of it. You just push in and you pull it out. There's a lever right here that you push. Let's see, push down. So you push that down and it's done. And it'll go, the box will drop. Once you drop your glove box, this is what you have. Notice the direction it's going up. Hold that out of the way. And this is gonna be pretty dirty. It's already torn. There's your filter. Alright. And this is the replacement one I got. CP 182, Amazon. Both of these combined, $20 shipped to your door. Here's my replacement. So notice the airflow direction is up. You just push the new one in and replace the tab you pulled out. And that is it. That's all you have to do. So both of these filters, you can do it in 10 minutes, $20. And then, so this is the tab that you have to put back in. Let's see. Bring it into place and push it up, and it will lock on. And you're done. This would be $40 something at the dealer just for intake filter. This would be, I don't even know how much, so $20, 10 minutes, you can do this at your house. Alright guys, throwing a little bonus clip for you guys. So got this from eBay, $12. So here's your stock gear lever area. This kind of matches your other term. So this is literally a peel and stick. You can get this on eBay. I'll put a link on the description also. Here's how it looks after. Makes a big difference. Alright, that's it.